Boa noite. Bem-vindo em Tech Time com Arte Tholel. Meu nome é Arte Tholel e me apresentamos no programa de Ave Noite de Apple. Ave Noite de Apple. Tu é fanático de Apple, queda pendiente. Tu é pessoa não com mister, uma explicação de Apple, queda pendiente, pessoal. E sessão aqui também está muito interessante mesmo. Tu não conhece Apple, caminha entre computer, iPad, telefone, diferentes produtos. Agora que nanda tra AirTag, o que sabe que está? Siga-nos agora aqui, caminha nos saber uma explicação que é AirTag. Vamos aqui vídeo.
Keys.
Turene saco tur aia de novo também iPhone novo. Aia passar abini iPhone 13 e aia que abini iPhone 13 verde. Bawa que saque caba? Bawa que imita explicavo que é a diferença de esse novo.
A faster chip, a high-performance display, and the biggest upgrade ever to the camera. Introducing iPhone 13 Pro. It's ready for action! New wide and ultra-wide cameras let you capture incredible scenes in even lower light. The new telephoto camera has 3 times optical zoom for even closer close-ups. Discover a new world in macro with the ultra-wide camera. And upload and download faster on the go with 5G. The superior durability of ceramic shield means iPhone 13 Pro is ready for any shoot. Almost anywhere. iPhone 13 Pro offers filmmaking capabilities not possible in even the most expensive movie cameras. Now you can capture, edit, and deliver in ProRes, the same format used in the movie industry. And introducing Cinematic Mode, which brings the art of cinematography to iPhone. For the first time, you can shift the focus automatically while you shoot or even afterwards. And all in Dolby Vision. The Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion uses an adaptive refresh rate that makes the iPhone experience feel faster and more fluid. Power is redefined with A15 Bionic, the world's fastest smartphone chip. And a huge leap in battery life to keep up with your day. More powerful, more intelligent, and a world of cinematic possibilities. iPhone 13 Pro.
TNS Tours com diferentes tours para 2022. Nós vamos começar com Alaska Tour, De 9 para 22 de septiembre 2022, tienes tú en excursión para Alaska y luego visitar atracción único en Seattle. En Seattle lo subí el crucero Carnival Spirit rumbo para Alaska. Un viaje a través de algún de paisaje más espectacular del mundo. Precio comienza por de 5.749 florins per persona. Mardi Gras Cruise. En tir año tienes tú te ofrece oportunidad para una vacación riba Mardi Gras. Kota é o primeiro barco cruzeiro de primeira classe e também é um dos mais grandes da flota de companhia de Carnival Cruise. Preço está fora de 3.499 florins per pessoa. Medellín, aqui tienes tú lo visitar Medellín. Vários viajes e nossa deseja para Abo também está presente conosco. O cliente tem a oportunidade para visitar parte de Medellín e combinar isso aqui com chequeio médico, junto com guia. Preço está fora de 2.299 florins per persona. Niagara Falls também tienes tú para 2.699 florins. Toma contato conosco na 513-4146 para mais informação. Apple escapa vida de diferente gente. Essa aqui é uma coisa que sim vos não, dona vos não é tip para o aqui. É o que me tem na mão aqui. Essa aqui é o produto. Vamos me explicar a experiência de cada de pessoa não para o relógio e iWatch de Apple. Apple iWatch Green Color. Hope biabo por punto mês. E com Apple Watch tem a luz verde. E com a luz verde. Essa aqui para motivo de fotoplatismografia, de qual que basta simples para explicar. Sangue te reflecta a cor cora e absorver a cor verde. Por motivo aqui é sensor se uso de oportunidade e se uso de luz verde. Essa aqui é por meio a velocidade que o sangue passa de aders na. O coração bate e o sangue passa de o ader. Luz verde é luz que queda flash e não é luz que queda acender. Door de cada beat de coração essa aqui acende e paga a hopilie. Recebendo informação aqui, o relógio pode determinar a velocidade e coração. Timbiabo por nota que a luz verde é mais visível que outro piano. Essa aqui pode possível para se nota mira a circulação e a luz mais bright que é por determinar a velocidade de coração. Essa aqui por suceder no momento que você não aviste o relógio bom na mão ou que o pulso não está bom posicionado. A la vez, por tomar nota, que nota hindertia a luz que acender. Essa aqui por motivo que a Apple instala dois sensores que está mais parte para dentro do relógio. Para por medir essa aqui e não está infrared. Não gasta menos corrente que é verde. Essa aqui não mide o coração cada 10 minutos. E se dado caso o infrared a detectar algo que não está bom, a luz verde lo toma mesura e medimento para checar isso aqui. E se dado caso tem algo que não está bom, ele anunciava a pessoa isso aqui door mensagem. E isso aqui está em Apple iWatch, a luz verde de com esta cena. Você conhece iPad? Você aqui com o iPad está assim? Você aqui como por assim com o iPad? Você conduz para trás com o iPad, lesa book, escreve, pinta, cultura isso aqui não? Vamos me mostrar isso aqui não? Agora aqui. Apple iPad. Isso aqui segura onde é Apple iPad não? Com Apple a bini kune e segura isso aqui tá é de 5 geração de R. Essa aqui também tem 5 colores, com a possibilidade de fazer uso de Apple Pencil. Com a opção de Apple Pencil, é também mais fácil para oportunar com ele. Segura ainda trabalhar na apresentação mais impressionante. Manda mensagem na escrever com a pen, a vira mais fácil. Hobby via é mais fácil e mais lié com laptop. Para por uma wega ribache e a la vez edit vídeo. É também com Magic Keyboard, que por pegar hobby fácil e trabalhar com ele maneira laptop. traja, pinta y tour sobra ta hopi más fácil con el Apple iPad R aquí. Tiene un cámara para atrás de 2 megapíxeles, un cámara delante de 7 megapíxeles, camina por hacer uso de jet de reunión. El iPad aquí ta hopi usa y te gasta menos corriente y te dura seguro 10 horas. Tour e colonna aquí por haya de iPad Air 5 generación. Sigue para más y por haya más información. Apple Headquarters. Pega de pensa of pundrobomes una eta e com eta. Com ena aqui tá traha. Vamos mostrar um vídeo com a traha de Apple Headquarters. Com eta em cada outro, com anta come, com anta traha, com anta biba. Tur informação de essa aqui. Vamos aqui agora.
Costing a total upwards of $5 billion, the Apple headquarters is one of the most expensive buildings on the planet. The building took 8 years to finish, with over 5 years spent on just its construction. The building was designed by Jobs himself and features a design like no other. Let's take a look at just what this building has to offer. General information. Named Apple Park, the Apple headquarters is a sight to behold. The building covers an area of 176 acres, and surprisingly, over 80% of it has been dedicated to green space. The main building is officially called the Ring, and for good reason, since it's, well, in the shape of a ring. In the center of it is a lush green park. A park inside a park. Apple Park might have a super futuristic design, but plans for its construction were actually made back in 2006 by the Apple founder, Steve Jobs. Innovative design. The top of Apple Park is covered with solar panels. Electricity from these solar panels accounts for 75% of the energy needs of the building, and is a testament to Apple's dedication to sustainability and eco-friendliness. This 4-story work of art is also resistant to earthquakes and is built to cater to 12,000 employees. The circular spaceship is huge, with over a 1-mile circumference. Employees can walk from one to the other, or they can take the on-campus bus. Bikes are also available, once again contributing to the sustainability of it all. Under Apple Park, there's a 2-story garage so employees can drive in and out of the building without disrupting the view. Gray-colored bikes are also available in case you don't want to walk down to the parking lot. Apple Park has been designed to maximize employees' efficiency and to promote as much innovation as possible. To do this, the building has been shaped in a way that promotes employee interaction. Several steps have been taken in this regard, the biggest being the addition of glass walls. Glass walls. Apple has taken a different approach to workspaces as compared to traditional offices. While traditional offices have small cubicles for each employee to sit and work in, Apple Park offers open office space to encourage the free flow of ideas. This also enables employees to socialize with each other so they don't get bored and burnt out working all day. People do have some concerns regarding this since the transparent walls are easy to walk into if you're distracted. In fact, 2 employees actually had to visit the hospital after bumping face first into the walls. After this incident, employees stuck sticky notes on the walls to make them more noticeable. However, the post-it notes were taken down since they disrupted the building design. The garden. The center of Apple Park is covered with over 9,000 drought-resistant trees and quite a few orchards. Jobs was a fan of the foliage work done at Stanford University and actually went ahead and got one of their arborists to design the garden. Various indigenous trees, including fruit trees, including cherry, apricot, olive, and, well, you guessed it, apples, have been planted. Studies have shown that plants are good for both reducing stress and increasing innovation, and Apple is using this to the maximum. Apart from all the trees and orchards, Apple Park also has an artificial pond, which, just like the building it's present in, is a perfect circle. Single restaurant. Instead of multiple restaurants throughout the building, Apple Park has only one main restaurant. There are several smaller cafes, but when it comes to restaurants, there's only one. This decision to have only one restaurant means that employees have more and more opportunities to interact with each other and discuss new ideas. Let's talk about some of the other buildings that Apple Park features. 1. The Steve Jobs Theater. The Steve Jobs Theater, or as it's now called, the Apple Auditorium, is a 1,000-seat theater in Apple Park. This theater has the world's tallest freestanding glass elevator at 42 feet high. Apple achieved this feat by using chemically treated glass. However, being the best at just one thing wasn't enough for Apple, so they also added the world's largest carbon fiber roof at the top too. The innovation promotion steps seem to be working. Interestingly, the Steve Jobs Theater is completely underground with only the top curved glass dome being above the ground, but at the same time, it's located on the highest hilltop in Apple Park as a sign of respect for Steve Jobs. Looking at the building, you might be confused that there are no support beams, but here's the fun part. Apple designed the building so that the curved glass walls act as the support beam. This is also why the roof is made of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is super lightweight, but durable at the same time. The Steve Jobs Theater looks just as futuristic as the Ring, and if you've seen the latest Apple event, you probably saw the new iPhone being announced in it. 2. Rainbow Stage. Located in the garden is a rectangular field with a rainbow-colored stage. The stage is used mostly for announcements and performances. The colors used on the stage are exactly like those of the original Apple logo. The stage was designed by Jonathan Ive and Foster & Partners. It's one of the most recognizable structures in Apple Park and can be seen from pretty much any spot on the Ring. 3. Yoga and Wellness Center. To make sure that employees are well taken care of and de-stressed, there's also a wellness center. The Wellness Center is a 100,000 square foot building complete with showers, group workout areas, a gym, and even a laundry service. There's even a 2-story yoga room. The Wellness Center is impressive, but it's actually the yoga room that's the star of the show, as it's covered with a very special type of stone. Steve Jobs made sure that the stone used for the yoga room was sourced from a special Kansas quarry. This was done so that the yoga room could look like a restaurant in Yosemite that Jobs was a fan of. 4. Visitor Center. The only building visitors are allowed to visit without a pass is the Visitor Center. The Visitor Center is one building, but it's been divided into 4 different sections. The first is the 10,000 square foot Apple Store. This Apple Store is just like any other Apple Store, although it is a lot more flashy, obviously. All the latest Apple products are available in the Apple Store, and also some exclusive Apple merch and souvenirs. Other areas include a 2,300 square foot cafe, an observation deck, and an AR experience area. The AR experience area is designed so visitors can experience the inside of the building without actually having to visit it. Talk about innovation. It is Apple after all. Anyways, that was all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did. Also, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to support us and stay tuned. See you next time.
Assim na nos chega na final do programa de Ave Noite. Danke por seguir-nos, danke na crew na Corsou e Bonero de Dutch Caribbean TV por assistir-nos em parte aqui. Danke na Apple seu produto não também que nos apresentar Ave Noite. Seguir-nos outros semana metade cheia de a noite, no mesmo canal, no mesmo horário. Tech Time com Arte Tholel. Danke.